Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has maintained that the Commission will continue to seek the contributions of people in the design and implementation of projects in accordance with their needs. Dr. Ogbuku said this when members of the Movement for the Survival of Ogoni People, MOSOP, paid him a courtesy visit at the NDDC corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt to make their needs known to the Commission.
Since his assumption of office in January this year, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has been engaging community stakeholders to ensure that they participate fully in the design and implementation of the Commission's projects and programs across the Niger Delta. While interacting with leaders of the Movement for the Survival of Ogoni People recently at the NDDC corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt, Dr. Ogbuku said the stakeholders' engagement policy was adopted to ensure that projects and programs of the intervention agency meet the needs and aspirations of communities. He also observed that the policy would promote even distribution of projects across the Niger Delta to address infrastructure deficits plaguing the region's development. The NDDC boss, who assured Ogoni leaders that his agency was committed to its mandate of transforming the Niger Delta, urged them to embrace peace and unity, which he described as a precondition for sustainable development in the region.
But development can only come when there is peace. So we're also encouraging that the Ogoni should also support the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to ensure that there is peace in your land.
Earlier in his address, President of the Movement for the Survival of Ogoni People, Prince Bira, while commending the intervention agency for its development strides in the Niger Delta, said NDDC should make its presence felt in Ogoni land.
There is no denying the fact that there is some NDDC presence in Ogoni land. Yes, there is, but this presence has had little impact in the area. We are therefore asking, compelled to approach you and hereby humbly appeal for your assistance.
In his response, Dr. Ogbuku told the delegation that the NDDC was set to begin execution of regional projects, assuring them that all stalled and abandoned projects, including those in Ogoni land, would be revived.
Once we have our budget, we are going to go back to most of those projects to ensure that those projects, we attend to them. Those ones that have been stalled, let us see how we can also invest more money to add value to whatever we have spent before.
The leaders of MOSOP, who passed a vote of confidence in the new board of the NDDC, promised their support for the Commission in its mandate to transform the Niger Delta region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,